Hey everyone, hi, this is Rudransh and today we are going to discuss that how many kinds of matter are there. Let's start. Actually, there are four kinds of matter: normal matter, antimatter, dark matter, and exotic matter. Let's start with normal matter. It is the matter of which our universe and us are created. Its basic particle is an atom. Atom in normal matter has three parts: electrons, protons, and neutrons. Electrons have negative charge, protons have positive charge, and neutrons don't have any charge. These all we know. Now let's go to antimatter. Antimatter. It is the matter that can be said opposite to normal matter, meaning that atoms in antimatter have positron instead of an electron, antiprotons instead of protons, and neutrons have no charge, which is same as normal matter. Let's see. Positrons have positive charge, antiprotons have negative charge, and neutrons have no charge. They have the same mass as normal matter because positron has the same mass as electrons, antiprotons have the same mass as protons, and neutrons in matter and antimatter have the same mass as well. According to the concept of multiverse, which is still a hypothesis, antimatter has another universe like we have in our matter. They constitute the same quantity in their universe as normal matter as in its universe, which is 5% of the total mass of the universe. When matter reacts with antimatter, they give out a huge amount of energy. Now let's see how much energy is given out. According to the formula we know, E square is equal to P square C square plus M square C to the power 4. Let's assume that both the objects are at rest. So momentum is equal to 0. So E square is equal to M square C to the power 4. So E is equal to mc square as the squares get cancelled. Now let's assume that half kg matter and half kg antimatter are there. So the total mass is 1 kg. So 1 kg into the square of speed of light, which is 1 kg into 9 into 10 to the power 16, which is 9 into 10 to the power 16 joules. This is the energy given out when half kg matter and antimatter combine. It's a huge number. Now let's go to dark matter. Dark matter, the matter because of which our universe exists. If it would not be there, then the planets wouldn't be in the orbit in which they are now. Dark matter doesn't react with matter or antimatter, so we cannot feel them. And they also do not react with light, so we cannot then see them also. They they are made up of such particles which we do not know yet. American astronomer Vera Rubin found this. Johannes Kepler said that when objects are far from the center, they revolve slower, and when they are near the center, they revolve faster. When Rubin was observing the rotation of a spiral galaxy, she saw that stars near the center of the galaxy rotate slower than the stars at the end. So she came to the conclusion that a force is making the stars at the end rotate faster, and this is how dark matter was found. Now let's go to exotic matter. But before that, let's see the constituents of matter, antimatter, and dark energy. Matter and antimatter in their universe have only 5% of the total constituent. Dark matter has 20% and dark energy has 75%. Let's go to exotic matter now. Exotic matter are the particles which violate all the fundamental laws of physics. That is, they have a negative mass. It's still a hypothesis because it's not proved till now and it's not seen also. So, there are three types of proved matter: normal matter, antimatter, and dark matter. And one is still a hypothesis, which is exotic matter. Hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you and bye.